Hey everybody, we are here at a place that just got acquired by Flagship. This used to be called Embassy Auto Wash, and it was a full-service car wash. And now they are known as Flagship Car Wash. Yeah, another requirement. But I think this might be a good one because of the fact that this is an old Belanger tunnel. A refurbished Belanger tunnel. It's got air cannons. But hopefully they're not going to be a total full-service car wash where you have to get out of your car and you have to pay inside. Hopefully I could stay in my car. But anyway, stay tuned. Alrighty guys, and we have been access granted. We are going inside. So this is my first time. This is in Sterling, Virginia. This formerly was Embassy Auto Wash. Looks like they also have Hannah Sherman equipment, like a little bit. And so there's a Hannah Sherman, just to kind of describe it, I don't want to show my video up yet. They would have started with vacuuming. They have they have the old Belanger equipment, but they have a little bit of Hannah Sherman equipment too. And so the Hannah Sherman equipment is at least this pre-soak arch. Looks like there. That's what it looks like. Alrighty, I'm gonna stop the video here, pay inside. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. This wash was 12 bucks. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, everybody.